Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, a malfunctioning or damaged LCD or touchscreen can significantly impact the user experience. Checking them ensures a smooth and satisfactory user experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the Daily application. Well, after that, type the following code. Okay, and then to check the LCD, here you can tap on the three colors at the top one by one. Start from red color. Well, if you don't find any black dots or if the entire screen of your device appears in red, then it means your screen is in good condition. Okay, just tap on the screen to exit. So jump to the next color, green. Same as before, if you don't find any black dots or if the entire screen of your device appears in green, then it means your screen is in good condition. Tap on it to exit. So jump to the next color, blue. Well, if you don't find any black dots or if the entire screen of your device appears in blue, then it means your screen is in good condition. So to check the touch screen, you can click on touch option. After that, draw according to the pattern on the screen. If there is a box that doesn't change color, then it means there is a problem with a part of the screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.